Good morning. We are some Spanish students representing Camarena school. And well, firstly, he's Alvaro, a big, tall and strong male.
And she's Hannah. She's tiny, weak, and probably she's not as intelligent as me.
I don't agree with that, but just because women usually fix men's mistakes, I'll just let you start with the speech.
Okay. Who are we and where do we come from? We are the team Let's Brothers Together, and we come from Valencia, Spain, an amazing city in a remarkable country. To be more specific, we attend class in Camarena, a bilingual school in which you are formed in an extraordinary way, thanks to our respective teachers. However, there is a point yet to be answered. How have we managed to be here, to the European Parliament, right now?
Well, we developed a blog which, despite being mainly written in English, was translated into 4 official European Union languages. Through countless interviews and own research, we were able to develop 30 reasons supporting the presence of Spain in the European Union, which we then spread through media, social networks, and school activities. This was the result of several months of hard work and sacrifice, together with help of our colleagues and teachers, making us proud and willing to participate in today's journey.
And just to make it clear, we don't actually agree with our opening words. In fact, our name is Let's Brothers Together, for this reason. Prodos meaning progress in Greek, together, juntos. Thank you all.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Hello, my name is Gonzalo, and I'd like to talk to you, students. I'd like to share a fact with you. We are all students, and we spend most of our times studying. What does it mean? We spend most of our time preparing for the future. We can't just wait till the future arrives. That would be illogical. You have a voice, and I'm glad to be representing it. And with this said, I'll start. The future of Europe must be equal for everybody. Solutions by fostering equality by laws of equality that assure same opportunities for everybody in Europe.